If someone is as poor as a church mouse, they are extremely poor, having little or no wealth and few possessions. The reason for this long-used simile is unclear, but most believe that, since churches are not known for storing food, a mouse inside one would fare poorly.
So what have you decided? When are you proposing Samantha?
I can't even dream of doing that. She is filthy rich and I am as poor as a church mouse. We are not made for each other.
It means very busy, hard-working, totally full of activity, and on the go. The origin of as busy as a bee likely originates from something that bees are known for, being hard workers. Bees are indeed busy little insects.
I should get a good night's sleep, because I am going to be as busy as a bee tomorrow.
All right then, good night and sweet dreams.
The comparison "as silly as a goose" is used to refer to a person who acts in a childish or in a foolish manner. Geese were assumed to be dumb and foolish due to their gait, hence this phrase came into use.
Do you think Roger will get promoted this year?
Since he is as silly as a goose, I don't think you'll get any promotion.
This comparison is used to indicate that someone is extremely or inconsolably angry. Hornets are really angry and relentless insects. They can launch a fierce attack, hence the term, mad as a hornet.
Why is Dad as mad as a hornet?
It's because I crashed his new car.
This comparison is used to indicate someone who is exceptionally wise, discerning, or sound in judgment. In Greek mythology, the goddess Athene was thought to symbolize wisdom, and was often depicted with an owl nearby. That probably was inspired by the owl's big eyes and solemn appearance. The Greeks also thought owls had some sort of inner light that let them see at night.
How do I look in glasses?
Well, you look as wise as an owl.
That's a compliment.